In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on spell check in Outlook. This simple setting can save you from embarrassing typos and help you write professional emails every time. Let's dive right in. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. You can use either the desktop app or Outlook on the web, depending on what you prefer. Once Outlook is open, head over to the top left corner and click on the File tab. From the File menu, you'll see several options. Click on Options to open the Outlook Options window. This is where you can customize all sorts of settings to make Outlook work the way you want. Inside the Options window, look to the left-hand side and select Mail. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Compose Messages. Here, you'll see a button called Spelling and Autocorrect. Click on it. A new window called Editor Options will appear. In this window, make sure to check the boxes next to Check Spelling as you type and Mark Grammar Errors as you type. You can also explore additional options such as Check Grammar with Spelling if you want Outlook to review your grammar along with spelling. Once you've selected the settings you prefer, click OK to save them. Then click OK again to exit the Outlook Options window. Now spell check is enabled. As you compose a new email, Outlook will automatically underline any misspelled words in red and potential grammar issues in blue. You can right-click on these underlined words to see suggestions and correct them instantly. And that's it. Enabling spell check ensures that all your emails are polished and professional before you hit send. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your communication. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you write error-free emails in Outlook. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to make your email experience better.